Hey guys, welcome back to another one with your girl Empress. And today, your girl have another unboxing for you guys. Yes, guys, before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure your guys' notification is on for when your girl drop a new video. Also, guys, check out my description. Go and hit the link for the Buy Me a Coffee. Support your girl. And check out your girl storefront. And if you guys don't know, your girl is now monetized, so you guys can definitely show me some love. So let's get into it and see what your girl got today. All right. And guys, I have a little helper with me today. She insisted in helping her mommy, so that's okay. So I will be passing it off to her. All right. Let's see. What is this, guys? What do you guys think this is? Who is going to guess and be right? What do you guys think this is? It looks like a cute little contraption, right? It looks really cute. Let me open it for you guys and see what it is. All right, guys. So this is a tripod. This is a tripod, guys. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. Everything together. Let's put this over there. Put the flash over there. All right. This is a remote control. This is a remote controller, guys. I can control this. This is a selfie light. This is a light, a lamp light, to help you whenever you're recording or doing live stream or whatever, something like that. You know, you have your light. So it's detachable. You can use it with your tripod and your selfie stick. And this is your charging cord. Of course, this is to charge this. And then you have a battery that works for that. Okay. So yes, guys, this is your girl new selfie stick and tripod. So let me see. I think I remember by watching the video online how to open it. Okay, there you go. Let's pull it open. And then the bottom, it's pretty easy. You pull it out like so. Well, I thought it was easy. Oh, your girl is struggling, huh? But that's okay. We're going to get it. There we go. Yeah, so this is your selfie stick. And it does extend pretty far, guys. But again, it's something that can stand. It's controlled by this remote control. It has this little screwdriver thing. I think it's called an Allen key, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but I always call it a little screwdriver. But I think the correct name for it is an Allen key. So this is all that you get in the box, guys. A remote control. And it's wireless. This is a wireless. So you can connect this to your phone also. Guys, it works for Android and it works for iPhone. But you know, your girl is an Android girl. So yes, this would definitely work for me. Don't forget your charging cord. This is, again, the detachable selfie stick light, or even for your tripod. This is the Allen key, and you have the battery. This is pretty neat. I love it. Again, you can take photos with this. You can go live with this. You can record with this. It does extend up. Again, guys, it rotates. Okay, it opens up. So this is actually pretty neat. I love it. It's awesome. You guys can go and check it out on Amazon and see if this is something that will work for you guys. I will leave the name of it and the link in my description so you guys can go and check it out on Amazon for yourself. So again, guys, this is your girl new tripod and selfie stick. And this is going to be super easy for me to travel with. I thought I got a black one, but it seems like they send me a white one. And it's okay that they send me a white one, because guess what? Your girl is going to be able to just match it up with some of the stuff that I already have that is white. And it's okay. The white looks really nice and clean, so it's not a problem. So again, like I said, this is all that I have. This is the tripod and selfie stick, the Allen key, the detachable lamp, and also the cord and the battery, guys. So yes, guys, again, thank you guys for tuning in with your girl. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. You're now